I've been using Fundrise, and in this video, I'll give you my honest and unbiased review of the platform. I'll cover everything from its key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Fundrise is the right choice for you. What is Fundrise? Fundrise is a real estate investment platform that allows everyday investors to access the real estate market without needing millions in capital. Instead of buying properties yourself, you invest in a portfolio of real estate projects managed by Fundrise. This makes it a passive investment option with the potential for long-term growth. Key features. One of the biggest advantages of Fundrise is its low barrier to entry. You can start investing with as little as $10 using their starter portfolio, making real estate investment accessible to more people. Fundrise also offers a variety of plans, including core, advanced, and premium tiers, each with different investment options and potential returns. The platform focuses on diversified real estate projects, including residential, commercial, and new developments, helping investors spread their risk. Risks and considerations. While Fundrise provides an easy way to invest in real estate, it's important to understand the risks. Unlike traditional stocks, Fundrise investments are not as liquid, meaning you can't withdraw your money instantly. Exiting your investment may take months depending on Fundrise's quarterly redemption policy. Additionally, returns are not guaranteed, and market conditions can impact property values and rental income. Some users have also reported concerns about fund withdrawal delays. So if you need quick access to your cash, this might not be the best option. Fees and costs. Fundrise operates with a simple fee structure, charging 1% annually for asset management and advisory services. Compared to traditional real estate funds, these fees are relatively low, but they can still impact your overall returns over time. Final thoughts. Fundrise is a great option for investors looking to diversify into real estate without the hassle of managing properties. However, if you need quick liquidity or prefer traditional stocks, this might not be the best fit. As always, consider speaking with a financial expert before making any investment decisions. That's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more investment reviews. See you in the next one.